Mr. Sankarnath Das and ISKCON devotee, Sankata, I request you to tell a few slokas from Srimad Bhagavad Gita and interpret the same in English. Start.
Hare Krishna. Today I am going to talk Srimad Bhagavad Gita's 7th chapter, slok number 19. This chapter name is Gyan Vigyan Yog. Previous Lord Krishna describes various yogas such as Visad Yog, Sankho Yog, Karma Yog, Gyan Yog, Karma Sannyas Yog, etc. Now Lord Krishna describes Gyan Vigyan Yog. Gyan means theoretical knowledge and Vigyan means practical knowledge. Now I will chant Srimad Bhagavad Gita's chapter 7, slok number 19. The slok is Bahunang Janmana Mante Jnanaman Prapaddate Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sa Mahatma Sudurlabha. The meaning is Bahunang Janmanamante means after many births, a person has gained true knowledge, realizes that Vasudev, Lord Krishna, is everything, the supreme cause of everything. This such kind of person is surrenders to me. This such kind of great soul is truly rare. That's all. Thank you.